Hi everyone, myself Devarshan. I have created an e-commerce website for my web technology laboratory. Let me explain what I have done in this e-commerce website, like how it's work and what all the things I have did to finish this e-commerce website with the client and the server side. Okay, now let's log in. First of all, we can create an account with the IDs. Okay, first we have enter the password, then re-enter the password, then click the checkbox, then go for create account. After that, you will redirect to the login page where you can uh, fix the same thing, type the same thing, and enter your password. After that, click sign in. Then you can able to access the e-commerce website. Here you can see that I have created an ID with my Gmail account like an other e-commerce website. So now we can see the products which are all present in my website, like it's the main page where you can see all the products. Then we can select the topics like all electronics and like that. You can see here the date the products are loading, which is one by one. I have segregated into these types like all electronic, fashion, home, kitchen, books, sports, and beauty. Okay, now let's check the product like and we can say this. Okay, first of all, I have selected this hoodie where I can able to directly buy from or I can add to cart. I have added to cart. There is a notification pop up on screen and there is a message in cart also. Then adding one more item to the products like the cotton t-shirt where I have added. Then there is a pop-up notification on that. You can see the two items that I have added to the cart like the both of the products. Then I can use this coupon code for some other features. Then these are the shipping details that I need to give for the product to delivery in the address. So you can see that I'm entering Gmail ID. Then I have entered all of the details. I have selecting the payment method with this cash and delivery. Then you can see that an order summary. You can details. Then you can give place order that the order has been placed successfully. You have a notification that notification bar where this is my order where I can check the orders that I have placed. That's my tracking ID where I can able to track my ID with this code. See there is a pop-up notification like that our order has been confirmed. So now I can check that see there is a tracking ID, then my customer information, then what are the items that I have ordered, then the total details like including taxes. If you want to download, then you can download in that. Like it will show that pages link. If you want neither, you can save it as PDF for the further details. Uh, you can see that in this I have same like that the product details and customer details that the tracking estimated date which has been given like that. See the order date processing data like it will give us one by one will show. I have placed an another order before this video, sir. If I need to cancel the product, I can cancel. Then the product is been cancelled. There's a pop-up notification which shows that I have cancelled the order. Then you can see that. Okay. This is the based on client side where the client can access my web page and place order. Now we can move for the admin side. I have created an dummy ID for admin, whereas the password also that I need to access to access the admin page. Where in this page you can see that there is an additional thing which is called as admin, where I can able to where I can able to add the products or remove the products, or I can check the details with the how many product has been there. There is a security key for then accessing the admin panel also. You can check this where I have entered. These are the products that I have listed in my web pages, like in e-commerce website. Whereas the whole product is I can able to handle from the server side. This is called as a server side, where all the products has been registered here, where I can check the product IDs. Each product ID has a unique number and then the product name. Then I have segregated into categories, price, stock, status, and the actions which I can do. Edit or I can remove those things. Okay, now you can see that add-on product where the product ID is 550. Then the product name goes to chess or the chessboard, and the category is sports. So I have selected the product name as chessboard. Then the brand which is Chess Max. Then the price of the in my store is 500. Then the original price is 700. Then the stock count is around 150. Then the rating which is around 4 means it's 3.9. In this you can add then image URL means you can able to access that image in this product. Then for the product description you can write some other things like how are this going to work like that. In futures we can add that it has some other things and some other features like it has more options like in color, and it has in different categories different size. After that added there is a pop-up notification that the product has been added successfully, where you can check that the product ID 550 and then the product name chessboard, then category sports, then price, stocks, status. You can check in the sports section where the product is has been added. See here the product of the name is chessboard and the company name is this. After this you can from this you can see that you can place the order after the product has been added. Okay, now okay, then we can log out of the section. Then I will explain which are the sites I have been hosted this like for the front end I have used Versal which is helping to publish my front end for this e-commerce website. I have created a project like e-store. Then I have deployed my code in this which through GitHub. So you can see I have connected my repository to this vessel. These are the codes that I have used for this project. And this is the main code that is hosting my web page through online or the other browsing tools. And this is the deployment that I have done for a current now, where I've been used like this. Okay, the overview which is taken, and then for the these are my codes, and then for the backend I have used in a render which is used to connect my backend with the front end. In this I have created my project on that where I can save my code as through the GitHub. So you can see here the same like Vercel I have created an e-store like that. I have deployed around 2 to 3 times to fix the errors. Same as like the vessel, I have pushed my GitHub repository code to this to get connected via front end and back end. See, you can see here this is redirecting to my web page like GitHub page, so you can see the details from here. And then for the database, I have using MongoDB Atlas, where I can list the products that I have used to display on the in my web page where I can add products. In this, I have created a project like e-commerce where I can store the datas, which like the product ID, product name, as like that. I have created a cluster which is free for the users. The cluster is around 512 MB, like it's free for us. So you can see here that there are three types of categories where M10 Flex and free. I have chosen free. The storage has been 512 MB and the RAM and VPU has been shared. vCPU has been shared. And in the cluster, I have added my details. Like you can check in through browse collection. In that, the see here the cluster is connecting to that. In that, I have created the database name as like test. So in that you can able to, there is a file called product. In that product, you can able to see all kind of objects that I have added, like through the website as product. Here you can see the details as one by one, where I can use to add some other data, or and in through add data, then send document. If I had to add new data, it can be added from here or else from the admin panel. So it is more useful for you to take that. Okay, then there is an updated option available so that you can update the document through this area. Okay guys, thank you.